Welcome back to Sport Kids TV. Today we're doing an exercise for beginners. So let's start now. Okay, warm up first. Warm up first. So and then we're gonna do exercise and then cool down. So first is warm up. So let's start in 3, 2, 1. Start. Okay, first is the wobbly plane. That like that. So you're gonna touch your toes and put your other hand in the air. One hand down to your feet and your other hand up in the air. Yep. So there'll be 7 exercises and each exercise will be 30 seconds. Okay, so let's start with the next warm up, running on the spot. So let's start. Alright, you can run really fast or slow, doesn't matter, but just don't run too slow, as fast or too fast because you might waste your energy if you run too fast or if you run too slow, you know, nothing might happen. Okay, so now, last one, lunge punch. So, do a lunge and punch at the same time. Okay, now the exercise. First exercise is plank, 30 seconds. Let's go. So you just gotta hold up straight. Easy. Don't do it. Oh my god. Right? Almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're off. Okay, so now rest. So there'll be 7 exercises. So then 1 out of 7, so now 6 exercises. So, and then we'll do cool down, which has 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. Next exercise is what? 30 seconds. 1. You can jump if you want. Yeah. We're just doing simple ones. You can jump if you want. This is for beginners. So, you know, if you're not a beginner, you just want to watch this stuff and do it. Yeah, remember to subscribe and like. If you've done anything, we're gonna 3, 2, 1. Okay, rest. So the next will be jumping jacks. You know how to do jumping jacks, right? Like that. Okay. So second hands up. Now we've done 2 out of 7. So just 5 more. Yeah. Start. Okay, come on, start. 30 seconds jumping jacks. I'm a star that's closing and opening. That was you. It's morning, I close in the morning, I open at night. And make sure you clap your hands. Yeah, I want to be the brightest star, so I gotta clap my hands. Okay, and proceed. So, next will be up and down. So you gotta punch down, up, and then change your hand. So down, up, and then up. So you change your hand. Okay, start. 30 seconds, up and down. Then. Just up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so after this we'll be running. So you gotta run around on your mat. Run around on your mat or floor. Yep. But you should do it on the floor. Take a mat. Okay, start. 30 seconds. Let's go. You can go very fast so you can get into speed. Go speed. And if you're in a small area, don't go too fast and not to the back door. Yep. You gotta run like a flash or run like a bit slower or run like a human. You choose. I don't know what you want to do. Run a bit slower, that's small. Okay, okay. Okay. So I'll break. Break. Okay, so now next we will do the twist. So let's start. It's a bit like a robot thing. Like this. I am the twisting robot. I am the twisting robot of Sid. I am the twisting robot of Kiki. Okay, so the next will be arm circle with this. First, so 30 seconds, right? So 15 seconds straight, and then the other 15 seconds backwards. Okay. 1. Start. Go. 1. Go straight. Okay, I'm swimming butterfly. You know the wing butterfly and swimming? I'm doing that. Yeah. I need to win. I need to have a swimming contest. Okay, next backwards. You can go going backwards. You can backwards, go big, like you know, like when you lie down in the water and then go backwards. Yeah. Or small back, big back. Okay. So we're done with all the exercises. So now it's gonna be the cool down. We have 4 cool down. Okay. Okay. So first is hand stretch. So you gotta do this. You should touch both of your hands together. Like this. Yeah. So make them stuck and then other hand. Go. And then one more hand stretch. This. And then this. Okay. And then leg stretch. Which will be first leg stretch is kick. Okay, and then this. So hold up, make sure balance. Balance. Don't look at things moving, then you'll be concentrated. Balance. That's why you fall. Okay. Lastly, and then next stretch. And then lastly, child pose. The most relaxing is 1. Let's go. Touch your arms up. Why do they call it child pose? It's called kids. Yeah. But why child pose? Childs don't be like this. Okay, done. So, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and ring the notification bell. And comment below if you liked it or not. And comment below also if you've learned anything from this. Yeah. Bye. Bye.